ready to ditch the cookie-cutter houses and build your dream from the ground up. Today, I'm going to show you how to unlock Redfin's hidden potential for finding vacant land. First things first, head over to redfin.com. You'll want to start by entering a city, zip code, or neighborhood where you're looking to buy land in the search bar. Let's say, for example, you're interested in land near Austin, Texas. Type that into the search bar. Once the map loads, look for the All Filters button located towards the top. It's your key to narrowing down the search. Click it. In the Filters menu, scroll down until you find Property Type. Expand this section and uncheck all options except for land. This ensures you're only seeing vacant land listings. Still in the Filter menu, let's go to the keyword search bar and type in vacant land. This will narrow down your results even more and make it so you're only seeing vacant land. Now, let's refine your search further. Use the price range and lot size filters to match your budget and needs. If you need at least 5 acres of land, specify that. This saves time and helps you focus on what matters most. Once you've set your filters, click the Save Search button located at the top of the screen. Redfin will then notify you when new vacant land listings hit the market in your target area, so you'll never miss an opportunity. And that's it. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to finding the perfect vacant land to build your dream. Happy land hunting, and don't forget to subscribe for more real estate tips.